Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most incredible AI tools I've ever tried, Higgsfield Face Swap. This tool is a total game changer for content creators, video editors, and anyone who enjoys playing around with visual creativity. We've all come across face swap apps before. Some look decent, others completely unrealistic, and most end up ruining the image quality. But Higgsfield takes things to a whole new level. It brings Hollywood-grade deepfake technology right to your fingertips, making it incredibly easy to use. With just one click, you can seamlessly swap your face into any image, and the results look stunningly real. I've used so many other face swap tools before, but this one is by far the best and most realistic result I've ever gotten. Just look at how awesome all the face swaps are. In today's video I'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it, so let's not waste any more time and jump right in.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll see an interface like this. You'll notice it's not just for one thing. It's a full creative suite. Higgsfield has lots of image options, video options, editing options, and much more. But today, we'll be focusing on their brand new face swap feature because this one truly stands out. Just click on the face swap option and you'll be taken to a clean, easy-to-use interface. It's super straightforward. All you need to do is upload your photo, then upload the target image, and that's it. Alright, let's give it a try. For the first image, I'll be using this one. And for the target image, I'll upload this. Once both are ready, just click on Face Swap. It only takes a few seconds to process. And here's the result. Wow, take a look at this. The face has been swapped flawlessly, while everything else in the image remains perfectly intact. That's seriously impressive. To download the image, click on this down arrow icon. Let's try one more. This time I'll upload this image of Shah Rukh Khan, and for the target image I'll use Elon Musk. Let's see what kind of result we get this time. I'll just click on Face Swap and here's the result. Wow, just look at this, it's absolutely amazing. The face swap turned out flawlessly and blended in so naturally. The result looks smooth, realistic, and nearly perfect. Honestly, if you showed this image to someone, they'd never guess it was a face swap. That's how seamless it is. Higgsfield AI has truly done an exceptional job here. At the bottom of the photo you'll see a few options. You can upscale this image. Also you can turn the face swap into a video, or make it speak, edit it on the canvas, or delete it if you want to redo it. Now, let's turn this face swap into a video, and see how good it looks. Press Animate at the bottom, and it'll take you to the Video Generation tab. First type your prompt. I have entered this simple prompt. Next, you can choose your video generation AI model. I'll select WAN 2.5. And choose your video duration. I'll go with 10 seconds. Next, select aspect ratio, and hit the Generate button. After clicking Generate, wait a few moments and your video will be ready. Let's take a look. The result is incredible. The video looks so natural that you'd never guess it was AI generated. The lighting, motion, and facial expressions all flow seamlessly, making it look like a professionally filmed, real-life scene. With your favorite image-to-video tool, the creative possibilities are endless. You can make tons of viral content with it. The only limit is your imagination. Now, let's move on to our third face swap. First we will upload Messi's photo, followed by the target image I want to swap it onto. Once both are uploaded, click on Face Swap for free. In just a few moments, the tool produces another seamless face swap. You can't even tell it was edited. It looks completely natural. It flawlessly preserved every detail of the original image and only swapped the face. Truly impressive work. Now, let's test the speak feature to see how well it performs. To do this, we'll start by downloading the image. Next, click on Video, then select Lip Sync Studio. This will open up the interface. Here, we'll begin by uploading the image we just created. Next, click on Audio, then type in the dialogue you want your character to say. After that, hit Generate, and within a few moments, it creates a perfect voice that matches your character's face and emotion. Once you've got the voice you want, just click on it to select. Next, we'll enter our prompt into the prompt box, then head over to the model section and choose the preferred model. I'll select Kling Speak. After that, set the quality to Pro and click Generate. In just a short while, the output will be ready.
Hi everyone, I'm Lionel Messi. Football has always been my passion since I was a kid. It's not just a game to me, it's a way of life. Every match, every goal, every moment on the field teaches you something new. The key is to stay focused, work hard, and never stop believing in yourself.
It's truly amazing. You just saw how flawlessly the lip sync worked. By combining the face swap and lip sync features, you can easily create content with the potential to go viral on Instagram or TikTok. Let me show you another awesome feature you can try. First, let's go back to the face swap tool. This time, I'll upload this image as the face image and this one as the target image. After clicking face swap, here's the result, and as expected, it looks fantastic. Below the generated image, you'll find several useful options. The first is the Upscale tool, which lets you enhance your image quality by up to 8 times the original resolution. You can choose a model like Topaz or Topaz Generative, and select your preferred scale, 1x, 2x, or 4x. In the advanced settings, you can fine-tune the sharpness and denoise level, and even enable face enhancement to achieve ultra-detailed, crisp results. Once you're satisfied with the settings, simply click Upscale, and your image will be enhanced automatically. And that's Higgsfield Face Swap, transforming what once took hours into something you can now do in seconds. From lifelike expressions to cinematic lighting, every swap looks like it was filmed rather than generated. So go ahead, give it a try, and start making your own stunning AI face swap content today.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.